What's up, Oscar? You tell them. You tell the viewers. We're late. We're so late, though. The Supra, the Aventador, and the Gladiator, they all have to be done today. If today's video gets 100,000 likes, 100,000 likes, I will reveal my new Supra car in the next video. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, we got so much to do today. It is the final day of preparation before SEMA. First thing tomorrow, all three cars need to be ready to roll and rock into Las Vegas. The Supra, boys, it needs to be done. By the end of today's video, it needs to be bagged, wide-bodied, white wheels. The Gladiator, 42-inch tires, also white wheels. And the Aventador needs to be fixed and sitting on a trailer, ready to leave first thing in the morning to Vegas. I want to give a massive shout out to all the Ford executives who are definitely 100% not watching today's video. The garage has a Focus RS and a GT350. Let that sink in. Deja vu again. Welcome to Park City and welcome to Summit Auto Lab. I gotta give a massive shout out to my boy Clayton here at Summit Auto Lab. He has been working around the clock, like non-stop. He has not slept for 24 hours. He sent me a Snapchat of the Supra last night at 4:30 a.m. Like, go follow him on Instagram. Go check out his YouTube channel, boys. He's got like 75,000 YouTube subscribers. I know the Strat Squad can get him to 100,000. Link in the description below. Go subscribe. I've already walked in. I've already seen the Supra. You're not ready. It looks amazing. I don't think you guys are ready for this. The car looks absolutely sensational. Yeah, you're not ready. You're not ready, Faith. And on that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Check this out, boys. Oh, it looks so good. Like, I think this is the coolest project we have ever done on the channel. The wide body is coming together oh so well. And today, boys, the white wheels are gonna complete the look. What? This Supra looks absolutely amazing. Look at that front end. Are you kidding me? Like, we can't really go to that side or that. Well, no, we will. So yes, the car looks goofy right now, but we are off to make some models right now to get the white skull wheels installed. We are still missing that rear wing. Clayton's still wrapping it. He's gonna meet me here in a couple hours, either at Buffalo Wild Wings, Make Some Models, or Agility Customs. But this purple looks so good. What? All right, so we're not early, but we're definitely not late. Wait, that didn't make sense. Opposite. Bye, Oski. See you later, Fluff. Pound it. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Faith. I'll see you guys soon. Later. Bye, Oscar. Be good. We are back to the parking sensor nightmare of 2019 with the wide body kit on the car. Like I said in the last vlog, the wide body kit is covering all the parking sensors. So yeah, anyways, we are headed off to make some models. I can just sense everybody is making fun of me. Like, I'm riding all the way up in off-road mode because I don't want to scrape that front bumper. And then the offset on those rear wheels. The parking sensors! I'm getting triggered, boys. The offset on those rear wheels is absolutely atrocious. The first rule of air ride is you never, ever get caught with your air ride up. Also, boys, this is the last time you will ever see this car with positive offset and black wheels. So yeah, welcome to Make Some Models. We have the 650S and we got the 488 Spider, and Brendan is gonna hook us up with the startup. A 488 would be a nice addition to the collection. All right, we got wheels somewhere. Wait for it. Whoa, that offset looks even crazier now it's on the tires. That's so sick. Can we just snap our fingers and it's done? Come on, the viewers can't wait. I cannot wait. Like, we've been waiting for so long. What do you say, Brendan? Ready? We have 305 millimeters of Michelin Glory. We're rocking the Pilot Sport 4S's, the white wheels. Aventador is getting its annual servicing done. Oh my goodness, we're getting so close, boys. One purple car is done. Now it's the Supra's turn. So I'm actually gonna hop in the Aventador and head down to the Jeep shop. The Supra, the next time we see it, boys, it'll have white wheels and the offset will not be positive. It'll be neutral. Yeah, so Aventador. The valves were closed! No! The valves were closed! We have arrived here to Agility Customs. The third vehicle in the trio is getting the same white wheel treatment. And check out these dirt bikes right here. So both of these are gonna sit in the truck bed of the Gladiator at SEMA. Whoa. Like I was saying, I need to get some dirt bikes. I was so infatuated with the dirt bikes, I didn't even notice the new white wheels for the Gladiator. We got the 42-inch BFGs with the white Dirty Life wheels. These are gonna look so sick. Like, the trio is coming together, boys. Like, we are just checking boxes today. I don't know what's going on, but that is cool looking. Whoa. What would it look like if we put 42s on an Aventador? So that's what we're doing. Unfortunately, sometimes in life there is a budget, but if we had no budget whatsoever, we'd do a V12 swap Urus and we'd build an off-road Aventador. How sick is this? We got the 42-inch BFG tires. They are on par with the roofline. Really gives you an idea of how small or how low to the ground the Aventador really is. Someday we will build an off-road supercar. Mark my words, we will, I promise. We are headed back to make some models. Good one. All right, see you, James. See ya. If you're standing up, I suggest you sit on down. Oh my goodness, look at that Supra. Are you kidding me? It looks so sick. Dude, just look at that front end. It is so wide. Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Oh, I think we're about to air down. Yes, we are. This car looks so good. Like, are you kidding me, boys? We have finally arrived. The purple, I'm so glad we went purple. We got that FI exhaust. Jeez, we're still missing the rear wing, but that's still looks so sick. What? I think this is my favorite build we have ever done on the channel. Like, this car has been completely transformed. This is no longer a BMW Supra. Like, this is, oh, it's so sick. I don't even know what words to say. It just looks so good, and the purple is menacing. So we're gonna hop in the Supra, we're gonna race to Agility Customs, and for the first time ever, all three cars are gonna be together. We got the Aventador right there. I don't actually know where the Jeep's in there. All right, so we gotta park up somewhere. We gotta drop it. That's so cool every time. I'm so mature. Boys, when we roll into SEMA on Sunday, oh my goodness, they are never ever gonna forget the day we pull up in the Supra, the Aventador, and the Gladiator somewhere over there. So we need to attempt to get the Aventador onto this trailer, which could prove to be a bit curious. And for the third installment, we got the Gladiator on the 42s right here. So these tires are so big that Nicholas has to do a little bit of trimming, but we're good. I almost took some sparks to the face, but I should have eye protection on, but I don't know where it is. The Jeep has taken a whole step up. Whoa. I love the red, white, and blue. We are gonna roll into SEMA with these two dirt bikes, the Gladiator, the Supra, and the Aventador. The first time the trio's been together. I do apologize, it's dark and it's freezing out. And you guys think I don't do anything all day. Look at this. The Aventador is going to be stored here at Agility Customs overnight. Clayton and Faith are going to be here in about 20 minutes with the wing for the Supra, and then we're done, boys. All three cars are finally finished. We have come so far, and we have finally reached the finish line. As it stands right now, though, I'm just sort of sitting in a random parking lot late at night, just waiting. So, the Supra looks so good, though. Yes, yes, yes. Low key, I think I might have just strained my oblique with all my excitement, but the Supra looks so good with the purple and the white wheels. Okay, it's cold. It's really cold. Oh, whoa! Whoa! There was a massive flame when you revved it right there, and then we just got two more. It sounds so good. Dang. Jeez, and this car is supposed to be my low-key car. It's not, yeah. Clayton is driving the Focus, Faith is driving the Gladiator, I'm driving the Supra, and we're all headed to my house. We have reached the curious portion of the vlog. I need to figure out how to put this wing on that rear deck lid. In the comments below, do you think the odds are greater or less than 50-50 that the wing flies off when I drive the Supra off to Vegas starting tomorrow? all kidding aside, the car looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to get it out with the Gladiator and the Aventador here very, very soon. But that is going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.